Hello everyone. So in this video we will see a question from function. In fact it is a combination of logarithmic and sequence and series, infinite geometric series and functional equation. So this is a very nice question, so get revise your preparation for your upcoming JEE advanced examination. See, whenever question is not lengthy, a simple question like that, this is not so much lengthy, but the concepts are two or three concepts involved over here of a JEE advanced. So what they will do, they will combine the questions, two questions in the same questions. That is the way they are nowadays asking. So one question which is not so lengthy, another question which is not so lengthy, both the questions are there in the same question. In that way they are asking, correct? So here is the question. If a polynomial function f satisfied the relation log of fx to the base 2 log of this expression 2 plus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 9 plus up to the infinity to the base 2 into log of 1 plus fx divided by f of 1 by x to the base 3, and f of 10 is 1001. Then we have to find out the value of f of 20. Numerical variety or single choice correct variety, they can ask the question like that. So where the functional equation concept, in fact it is coming to be the standard functional equation. In fact functional equation is going to be very very important, or 100% sure you will get the question, any question from the functional equation concept, correct? So let's first simplify this one. This is infinite GP sum. So I can take 2 common. 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 ka square, that is infinity. This is 2 into 1 upon 1 minus 1 by 3. That is 2 into 3 by 2, and that is equal to 3. So this expression is easily we have find out. Correct? So finally we are getting what? Log of f of x to the base 2 is log of 3 to the base 2, and log of this 1 plus f of x divided by f of 1 by x to the base 3. So first concept we have used. What is that? Infinite GP sum. Correct? Now here we will use the properties of logarithm. See, this is log of 3 to the base 2, and this is log of this to the base 3. Therefore I can write down base change formula property. This is suppose alpha. So this is what I can write down, log of 3 divided by log of 2 to the same base into log of alpha divided by log of 3. This log of 3 get cancelled out. We are having log of alpha by log 2, and this again we can write down log of alpha to the base 2. That is log of alpha is what? 1 plus f of x, f of 1 by x to the base 2. And this is what? Log of fx to the base 2. So therefore I can find out fx directly. What is fx? Fx is, this is 1 plus f of x divided by f of 1 by x. This is your fx. Now here we have come to the concept of functional equation, correct? So finally we have come to what? We have jumped to the fx equal to 1 plus f of x, f of 1 by x. So I can write down this as f of x into f of 1 by x, and that is equal to f of x plus f of 1 by x. By simplification this you will get, which is a standard functional equation. Which is a standard functional equation, and now I can write down fx. Fx is what? Fx is plus or minus x cube power n plus ka 1. This is standard result for this functional equation. You have to find out n. Now it is given that f of 10 equal to 1001. X is 10 plus minus 10 cube power n plus 1. So therefore this should be plus. So finally we are having plus x cube power n plus 1, correct? So this is 10,000 equal to 10 की power n, this gives n equal to 3. Finally we are having f of x equal to x की power 3 plus का 1. Now you can find out whatever they have asked. They are asking about the f of 20. So f of 20 equal to 20 की power 3 plus का 1. So 8000 plus का 1, finally 8001 will be your answer. So see, in this question we have used three concepts: infinite GP, logarithmic properties and functional equation. In fact, I am telling you the fact that they will ask one question on logarithm separately, only logarithm concept, logarithmic properties, not like that. This is the question from functional equation concept, but they are using logarithmic properties over here. But you will get one separate question on logarithmic chapter. One is statistics is also there, logarithmic is also there. These are very easiest question to score more marks in your upcoming examination.